Okay, we gotta run. Oh, jeez. Okay, hurry up, guys. My phone is soaked. My shoes are soaked. Oh my god. They're so humid. Look at Brooke's hair. Oh my phone. There's Allie. Here's me. Okay. Oh, there's my mom. Okay, go.
They're over here.
Okay, my mom's gonna find us in a little bit. We're on our own. I'm sorry. Yeah, so there's squishies. Oh my gosh, these are so weird.
Oh my gosh, this is.
What is this? I want this thing.
Oh my god, look how
Guys,
cute
this is what
is.
I want. Look at this. It's like a squishy thing.
Look how cute that is.
I know. I'm more into stress balls than squishies. So there's like, look at this one. The peach. There's like this cute little owl.
I'm getting this.
Oh, there's mesh balls. I used to have
The
one.
penguin.
No, that's what Allie just showed.
Oops.
She has this too. Brooke has this.
I want to get this. Look. These are like all the squishies I have.
Well,
I
yeah.
have this one.
Because this
I
is
have
the brand
this
that
one.
you got.
It's like a miniature ball.
Okay, guys, let's go to the legit toy aisle because I think we're getting a little obsessed with squishies.
You're so obsessed. Like, honestly, it's like not funny.
Seriously not funny.
I can like have my own miniature.
Allie wants poppables. I say no.
You're walking
but,
a little fast, Holly.
Sorry, guys. I'm so excited. I literally, Brooke has our cart. My mom ditched
They
us.
would be in there.
I don't know where she went.
I
'Cause
think I just
she
followed
said,
the aisle.
she was like,
They're here now.
oh gosh, Keelan's hair. Oh, poppables. Do you guys want to get some?
No, Allie,
So-
I was in this aisle. No, Allie, they weren't here yesterday. It was
They
only
were all right here, and she was like, there's no poppables. But clearly there is.
No, that was yesterday. They didn't have like any.
Yesterday
chips
I was here. So my mom was like, okay, bye guys. I'll meet you guys in a little bit.
Oh,
Guys, let's look at 4th of July shirts and we should match.
What if we have no money?
Well, I don't care. Yes, all of us have money. I want to match this year. This is so cute. I love this. It has like ruffles.
I don't like this jean shirt.
Yeah, I don't like the.
Oh my God,
Or this is so cute too.
No,
Has a little bow in the back. Sorry, I'm upset. Look at how cute this thing is. This is so cute. Oh,
For a little warm aisle.
But
we should go to
still.
the bakery aisle. They have free cookies. Good for them.
Guys, overalls.
I'm on a diet.
This is what we should do.
Oh my
We should
God, I'm
get.
getting this.
No, we should get so. Oh, these overalls with like a 4th of July shirt. That'd be so cute.
well,
like
how
these
much do they cost?
overalls.
Because I'm on a budget, guys.
$12.
But that's a size 6. I am.
There's
12.
more back
I
here.
only have 20. No thanks. I don't know how much I have, but yeah.
Well, you know what? We'll come back here sometime before 4th of July. Hopefully, at least.
The
That's what we
yoga
think.
section.
In underwear.
No.
We're in the underwear section.
Like, oh my
We're in the underwear and socks section, guys. Okay, so I'm just so happy because I really want to get a squishy.
Ooh, what is this?
And, oh, phone chargers, I think.
Oh my god! Oh, look how cute that is!
Oh, I'm obsessed with mermaids.
Hey, by the way, guys, I just broke my phone.
Oh, yeah, she just. This is actually so cute.
And you were actually so loud.
This would be cute together. The floor is lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I followed you.
Okay, let's keep going.
Ooh, look
Guys,
at
thumbnail. Ooh, yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh my god, what are they doing?
I fell off. Ow.
Come on, girlfriends. Ow. What? Oh, hi.
I got the power.
Guys, can I actually do that? Yeah. That's why I'm getting it. I got the power. Yeah. Everybody's like a thing. Can you do the flute?
I see you looking at me,
I told you I was doing the flute today.
Let's do this.
No, Brooke, say, I got the power. I got the power.
I got the power.
I got the power.
I got the power. I got it. Got all my money.
Guys, my earrings are stuck.
You have $30. You don't have $30. You didn't bring me this.
You should have brought that $50 bill.
I should have.
You do not have enough money?
I should have brought that $50 bill. I thought I had.
There goes money.
I thought I had enough.
Wait. Wait. Oh, there is like. so I'm getting all this stuff. Allie's paying for hers right now. So for hers is that much. I don't know how much mine is. And if I don't have enough, I need to take some stuff out.
Oh my god, that's $9.
That's only this. She's paying.
How do I cancel this item? Cancel.
US. Oh, you got an US.
Yes, remove.
Please wait for assistance.
What?
I'm the only one who did not have enough money. I should have bought other money.
I feel like I'm a legit worker person. Can you like? Ew. Allie.
I didn't get my headband.
Yeah. Why? We are gonna end it here, and then when we get home, I will do a haul with all our stuff. So peace.